Hello viewers, hope you are doing good. Today we will be enacting a role play so that you get to understand about operant conditioning. This role play will be a conversation between a student and a teacher happening, and you will be able to understand the four different scenarios of operant conditioning. The first scene will start when teacher enters the class and there is conversation between student and teacher.
Morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Good morning, Rahul. Good to see you back. I am fine. Okay, well settled. Now let's start today's class. Let's start a new topic on science. Hope you note everything down. Hey, so now I have given you few questions on the topic. Hope you have understood it also. Just don't forget it to complete it before coming to the next class, okay? And if any doubts, we'll do it in the next class. Okay then.
Okay, sir. I will complete it by next class.
2 goes here, x is equal to 50.
These questions are very easy. I've barely spent 10 minutes and I'm already done with 2 of them. There are only 6 more. Now that Rahul had realized that the questions were easy, there were only 2 ways that this could end. Scene 1. Student decides to complete the questions. Now here, Rahul has completed all the questions and Sir has noticed this. Here we see the display of positive reinforcement. So here are the questions you gave us.
Oh, so you have completed the questions. Let me check. Oh, seems like you have done all the questions perfectly well. Quite impressed with this. Keep up the good work in future also. I think you have also understood all the concepts. So, I should give you something for the present. See, I have got a chocolate for you. Take this gift and keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir. Now, in this type of operant conditioning, the reward is counted as adding something to increase the behavior or the displayed stimulus. Now, let us move on to the display of negative reinforcement. Oh, so I've completed all the questions you gave us.
Oh, so you have done the homework. Let me check. Well, quite impressive. So you have completed all the questions this time, huh? And you have understood the concept. You have written the answers well. So do one thing. This weekend you take an holiday. Saturday we won't have a class. Let's skip the class. Have a jump, man. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you so much, sir. Now here, the teacher decided to cancel the class. So here, by subtracting something, you are trying to increase a wanted behavior. That is negative reinforcement. Scene 2, and this is the more likely one. Student decides to procrastinate and finally does not complete the questions. Here, we see the display of positive punishment. Sir, I did 2 questions, but I didn't complete the rest.
Oh, so what? You did only 2 questions? Okay, let me see. Only 2? What is this, Rahul? And those 2 also, you haven't done it properly. Look at your handwriting. I won't tolerate all these excuses now. It's an important year. You should study well. Do one thing. Now you stay in the class, finish all the questions, then you will be able to go home. Complete it, Rahul. Complete it fast. I am waiting. If any problem, ask me. Here. Now in this case, the teacher decided to make Rahul stay back.
after school and complete his work. Here, he added something to reduce a particular behavior, and this is known as positive punishment.
So I started solving the questions. In fact, I did 2 of them, but the rest of them I couldn't complete, sir.
Enough of this excuses, Rahul. This time you didn't even do the homework. You didn't do a single question, you didn't attempt it. I didn't expect this from you. If this goes on, I have to call your parents and inform them. I'm afraid about your future. I won't be able to continue this teaching with you if you do this. I have to take a strict action now. Enough, Rahul.
Sorry, sir.
Now, let's see the final type of operant conditioning, which is known as extinction or negative punishment.
Here is a chart showing the different type of operating conditions. So it can be broadly distributed into 2 categories, punishment and reinforcement, which can further be broken down into positive or negative depending on the means involved. Now, positive punishment is basically adding something to decrease behavior. Positive reinforcement is adding something to increase behavior. Negative punishment or extinction is subtracting something to decrease behavior or also end it. And negative reinforcement is subtracting something to increase behavior. Thank you.